Want to speak real Japanese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at JapanesePod101.com.
Welcome to Fun and Easy Japanese by JapanesePod101.com. Do you know the 12 most common ways to say hello in Japanese? If you don't, keep watching! こんにちは、Risa です。Hi everyone, I'm Risa. In this lesson, you learn 12 ways to say hello in Japanese. This includes common greetings like how are you, good morning, good evening, and bonus phrases that are not in the English language. In this video, you learn first, the formal greetings, second, informal greetings, and finally, unique Japanese greetings. Let's start with formal greetings. You can use these in most occasions when you want to be polite. The first one is こんにちは. This is the most common way to say hello and is used between morning and evening. Just don't use it with close friends because it's a formal phrase and would be awkward. For example, you can say こんにちは, お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Next, はじめまして or nice to meet you. Use this greeting when meeting someone for the first time. It's formal, but you can use it in any occasion. For example, you can say はじめまして、私はナオミです. Nice to meet you. I am Naomi. Next is おはようございます or good morning. おはよう comes from the word 早い which means early, and the お in front makes it polite. ございます is the polite word used to end a sentence, meaning it is or there is. Here's an example. おはようございます。お元気ですか? Good morning. How are you? Next is こんばんは or good evening. こんばんは literally means this evening is, and you can use this with anyone from evening to night. For example, こんばんは寒いですね. Good evening. It is cold, isn't it? Next, お元気ですか? or how are you? お is the polite emphasizing word. 元気 means in good shape. And ですか is the polite word to put at the end of a question. Here's an example. お元気ですか? はい、元気です. In English, this translates roughly as How are you? Are you doing well? Yes, I'm good. And finally, お久しぶりです or long time no see. Use this greeting when you meet someone you haven't seen in a while. 久しぶり means after a while, and お makes it polite. This is the word used to end a polite sentence. For example, お久しぶりです。お元気ですか? Long time no see. How are you? Now, let's cover the informal greetings. Greetings that you should only use with family and friends. The first one is おはよう or good morning. This is a casual version of おはようございます. For example, おはよう、まだ眠い. Good morning, I'm still sleepy. Next is 元気 or how are you? 元気 is just a shortened phrase for お元気ですか? For example, 元気変わりない? How are you? Are you all good? Next, 最近どう? or what's up? How is it going recently? 最近 means recently, and どう is how. If you want to make it formal, just add ですか at the end. 最近どうですか? For example, 最近どう? 彼女と順調? What's up? Are you doing well with your girlfriend? Next, 久しぶり or it's been a while. 久しぶり is an informal greeting and is a very common way to say hello. When you see someone again after a while, for example, 久しぶり、会いたかった. It's been a while. I wanted to see you. Finally, let's do unique Japanese greetings. These are greetings that don't exist in English language and are used on special occasions. First, いらっしゃいませ or welcome. いらっしゃいませ is formal and is only used in stores or restaurants to greet and welcome customers and guests. You likely won't have to use it, but you will hear いらっしゃいませ a lot. Here's an example. いらっしゃいませ。何名様ですか？ Welcome. How many are you? Next, もしもし or hello when answering the phone. もしもし is only used on the phone, whether you're calling or answering the phone. For example, もしもし、私は田中です。鈴木さんはいますか？ Hello, I'm Tanaka. Is Mr. Suzuki there? And finally, お疲れ様です or well done, hello or bye. お疲れ様です is a formal term and is a very useful phrase to use at work. You can use it to say well done, good job, bye, and even hello. For example, when leaving the office, you can say this to coworkers that are still working. お疲れ様です。お先に失礼します。In English, this roughly translates to Good work today. Please excuse me for leaving before you. In this lesson, you learned 12 ways to say hello in Japanese. But if you want to speak even more Japanese and learn in the fastest, easiest, and most fun way, go to JapanesePod101.com and sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Get our complete learning program with real lessons by real teachers. That's it for today. See you next time. またね!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.